Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mon, your trusted real estate broker. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Arca South, particularly sa Arbor Lanes. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung development of Arbor Lanes here in Arca South. Okay, samahan niyo po ako. This is the Arbor Lanes in Arca South. This is the lobby of the Jade Building in Arbor Lanes. Arbor Lanes by Ayala Land Premier. Okay, this is the 2-bedroom unit of Arbor Lanes. 109 square meters. Yan, this is the entrance. Pagpasok nyo, this is the sa left side. Dito yung common toilet and bath. And then may isang bedroom, yung first bedroom. Ayan. Meron siyang view, pool view, amenity view. Tapos the kitchen niya. And then maid's room. The maid's room may access dun sa labas. And then the master bedroom. Ito yung master bedroom niya. Tignan natin itong hindi mo nakikita, nakasara. So, ito yung master bedroom, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. This is 109 square meters.
Up to 60 months. Tapos 10% down payment, naka-split into 4 months.
Balcony. This is the balcony.
So, paano mo dala mo kami?
Sige po. Iisan ko po.
Like this.
So, ganyan yung balcony niya. Facing the amenity area.
So, yung main room natin, they have their own toilet and bath now.
This is the amenity area. So this is the gym of Arbor Lanes here in Arca South, Taguig. So fronting amenity area siya.
That massage.
Okay, if you want to invest a condo unit here in Arca South, dito sa Arbor Lanes by Ayala Land Premier. Okay, contact nyo lang po ako at may mobile number po. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.